Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to do a quick video update. A couple of random things I wanted to update. First of all, you see the truck behind me. I did get the wheels replaced with the all matte black ones that I originally ordered. I don't know, I kind of got used to the milled ones with the chrome on it. So it looks a little weird to me. The truck is dirty and it's filthy right now, so you have to excuse that. But overall, I like the look. Really looking forward to having some decent weather where I can get this thing all cleaned up and polished and looking good. A couple of things I did do. I did get a recording of some night driving so you could see the Morimoto headlights at night in action. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that video real quick. All right, so here we are on the dark road. It's gonna stop here real quick. Should be safe. And so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights off. That's just the parking lights that are on. Then, I'm sorry, that's the parking lot lights. That's the fog lights. Then that's the headlights. So, that's fog lights and headlights on low beams just driving. It's an old dark road. I turn high beams on. We've got light for days. You can see pretty much everything. It's kind of a shaky video probably because it's kind of a bumpy road. But okay, awesome. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how those look. The other lights I put in are just those rear license plate lights. Change those from the incandescents over to LED so it's a better white color, and I'll switch over to that video real quick here. All right, so I got one of the license plate lights replaced, the LED. Pretty sure you could tell which one it is. Which one's white and which one's yellow. It looks just a lot more cleaner, especially since all the other lights on the truck are LED. So it just goes along with it. It's pretty simple to swap out. You could just, if you go underneath, right there is where the tail light bulb is. You don't even really have to climb under. You could just reach under and grab it. But I wanted to show you where it was. Just twist, pull it out, and pull that bulb out and replace it with the LED bulb, and then push that back up and screw it in. Very simple to switch out. Then I had some questions about the stock rims that I did have on the truck. These are the stock ones. They are actually just plasti-dipped, which I know some people either love or hate plasti-dip. Did a full thick coat on these. I left them on the truck when I painted them. And painted them that way. And used about a single can for each wheel. Make sure it was a nice thick coat. And first I was curious if it even held up well, and as you see, it did. It went through car washes. I went through brushless and a powered one. Power washed these. Have not been careful with them, and it held up very strong. And does appear to be healing up. Now it is cold out. I don't know. Being cold would be beneficial, or warmer would be better, but even here in the cold, it does seem. So, with that, does plasti-dip peel off like it's supposed to? Yes, as long as you put it on thick enough. Some of these thinner spots are a little bit harder to get off. And if I'd done a thin coat around everything, I would be cursing myself right now and saying, plasti-dip is crap. It does not peel off like it's supposed to. But then that would have actually been my own fault for not following the directions. So where I did put it on nice and thick like I was supposed to, it comes off nice and easily, just like it says it will. So would I do it again? Yes. It definitely protected my wheels. Once I get all this off, they'll look brand new, no nicks or anything in it. So I had this protective layer over it. As far as longevity, I said I've only had it on for about 3 months, and it held up really well for that. Will it hold up longer than that? I'm not sure. But if you're looking for a temporary coating, it definitely works for that. Will it work as a long-term solution? I'm not sure. I didn't see any signs of it wearing out. I didn't see any scratches or anything coming up, so I think it would hold up for a while. But definitely as a temporary solution, I would say that yes, plasti-dip does work. And then here's the wheel without the plasti-dip on, and then the next mod has come in. It is the amp power steps, so I will be back with a new video installing them to see how that goes. And now the garage is a complete mess because I've been working on the wife's car, which is an 02 GMC Envoy. You see all the rust that came out off of it from working on it. She doesn't want to get rid of it, so I gotta keep working on it. But that's it for this. I just wanted to do a quick update video about what's been going on. Get some of those questions that I've gotten answered by showing off those headlights and everything. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you viewing and subscribing, and any comments that you've left down below. I love the questions. I love the criticism. I am not a professional by trade. This is something I do as a hobby, working on my cars, my trucks. So yeah, I might do stupid things, and I appreciate you guys pointing those things out to me because that's how I learn. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the feedback. I appreciate you, and have a great day.